Hello, good morning children. Come back to our grammar session. We already finished up to unit 3 in our last lecture. Now we are going to start unit 4, pronouns. So, dear students, here we study about pronouns. Pronoun means pronouns are the words that are used in place of noun. One example I give here. Nimisa teacher is our grammar teacher. She is teaching grammar well. So here I use she. I didn't use repeated Nimisa teacher. So she is a pronoun. We use instead of noun. Geeta is a girl. She is a clever girl. So I use here she for Geeta. I use here she as a pronoun instead of noun Geeta. So बच्चे, clear it in your mind. The words that are used in place of noun, it's called pronoun. Sudhir is a boy. He is a cricketer. So, I use here he for Sudhir. So, he is a pronoun. So, clear it. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. They help us avoid repetition of nouns. There are various kinds of pronouns. Given below are some pronouns of different kinds. We already studied about nouns, types of nouns. Here in unit 4, pronouns, we study about different types of pronouns. First, personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used in place of the names of persons, animals, and things. Here, the table below lists the personal pronouns in English. Do you know, in grammar, singular and plural. In singular and plural, first person is a I. We. It's plural. I, we. Second person you, you, all. Third person he for masculine gender, she for feminine gender, and it for non-living thing, and we also use for birds and animals. It's plural. Third person he, she, it. It's plural they. So, first person I, me, it's singular. Its plural pronoun we, us, ours. For first person singular pronoun we use I, me, mine. Its plural we, us, ours. Second person you. Its plural yours. Third person he, him, his. For masculine gender she, her, hers. For feminine gender it, its. For neuter gender and its plural they, them, theirs. So बच्चे, these things you have to keep in mind and also copy down this table in your notebook so you can understand the pronouns respectively as per first person, second person and third person. So बच्चे, first person I, its plural we, second person you, plural you, third person he, she, it as a singular, its plural they. And as per this table you have to learn these personal pronouns as per gender wise. Okay बच्चे, now we go as per exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. Here we have to complete this exercise with PDF. I already sent with each video with its PDF. First one, the captain and members posed with the trophy. Here mention captain and the team members. So we use pronoun they. They had won it again after 5 years. It for we use a trophy. Understand no बच्चे? Second, the little boy started crying whenever his mother left him alone. So बच्चे, you have to complete this exercise A as per PDF. Now we go as per possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns means mine, ours, his, hers, yours, its and theirs are possessive pronouns. They replace nouns and also show possession, ownership or belonging. Many times we using whose this book. So out of you replied no. Teacher, it's mine. Mine means belonging, others. Ownership, possession. We don't use here apostrophe. But me, mine, or ours, his, his, her, hers, your, yours, their, theirs. Understand बच्चे? They are written without an apostrophe. The ball is his and the bat is mine. You also enter this definition of possessive pronouns with its example in your notebook. After this entering definition, you have to write down exercise B as per each types of pronouns definition and after its exercise. Okay बच्चे? Second example of possessive pronouns. That dress is not yours, it is hers. The books are not theirs. Here they given one rule. Keep in mind, possessive forms of nouns need an apostrophe, whereas possessive pronouns don't. My kittens' whiskers are grey. This possessive form of noun, not pronoun. Understand बच्चे? Is that kitten yours? Here yours as a pronoun. But first example they given kittens is a possessive form of noun. When they mention apostrophe, it's a possessive form of noun. Now you properly understand in possessive form of noun and possessive pronoun. Without an apostrophe, it's a pronoun, and with apostrophe, it's a possessive form of noun. Now we go as per exercise B. What are the possessive pronouns that can replace the words in red printed? These spectacles are John's. John is a boy. Use here his. My umbrella is broken. May I borrow the one that belongs to you? Here use you, so we use yours. These pills are my grandmother's. Grandmother's is a feminine gender, so we use here as a pronoun hers. The red dolls are Nikki and Lila's, so we use here pronoun as theirs. On the table are the ones belonging to Akhil, Sonia and me. Here included Akhil, Sonia and me. So we use here ours. Okay बच्चे? In this video, we have to complete definition of personal pronoun with example and its exercise A, and second definition of possessive pronouns with example and as per exercise B. Okay बच्चे, that much complete in your file. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.